Hello, Mommy. Look, I can stand. I'm very advanced. Look what I can do. I can stand.
You're obviously not like your Auntie Tiffany.
I'm very, very, very advanced. I'm only 3 weeks old. Look what I can do. I've got great muscle tension. I'm going to be a sprinter. Maybe cross-country skier. Oh, but I don't know where I am.
Connor, Connor, where are you?
Oh, he's standing up there. 3 weeks old. It's a miracle.
Connor. So what's happening?
I'm very advanced. I just don't know where I am or who I am.
Yes.
Look at him. He's good. Just sitting in there without a bother in the world. But he's going to wake up any second. Oh, and then there will be trouble.
Oh.